Welcome to Garden State Off-Road and to today's walk around of our 1987 Suzuki Samurai JX. Start out with the interior. Haven't done much here. Just some pads for the pedals, a couple grab handles, bikini top. The JX came with the tachometer. Added some seat covers for the front, seat covers for the rear for the dogs. That's a step there for the wife. And we went with Rocky Road Outfitters spring over axle YJ kit, which adds 7.5 inches of lift. Went with the Trail Gear 2-inch body lift to give us a total of 9.5 inches of lift to clear the 35 by 15.5 Super Swamper SX tires, 15 by 8 Ion wheels with 3.4-inch back spacing. Went to ZUKS Off-Road for the AISIN hubs. We also have 2-inch spacers for the wheels, and for the front end, we've got the Rocky Road Outfitters high steer, Trail Gear's diff armor, axle truss, front and rear, CHROMOLY axles, front and rear, 26 spline with 33 spline burr fields. For the transfer case, we went with ZUKS Off-Road CRADLE. And gears for the transfer case, we went with ZUKS Off-Road SUMO 4.16 gears. We were getting vibration in the drive shaft, and to take care of that problem, went with 4-degree shims, cleared that right up. For the front and rear gears, we went to NITRO gear, running 457s. We've got Lock-Right front and rear lockers. And we're just breaking her in.
Oh, come on! That's not fair.
Oh, you used your run.
Devil without a cause, and I'm back with the beaver hats and Ben Davis slacks. 30-pack of stroll, 30-pack of hoes. No road gain in the propane flows. The chosen one, I'm the living proof with the gift of gab from the city of truth. I jabbed and stabbed and knocked critics back, and I did not stutter when I said that. I'm going platinum, selling rhymes. I went platinum 7 times, and still they ill and wanna see us ride. I guess because only God knows why. Why? just can't fuck with.
Listen.
Round.